Zomato's The Dish बात की शुरुआत Zomato के साथ. A very good afternoon everyone. I am Sanika Jain
And I am Tanish Rathore.
and I am going to present the success story of one Indian most iconic startups of Zomato. Let's start with tagline that reflects Zomato vision from craving to delight. Zomato your bite. Introduction of Zomato. Imagine being hungry at home or at your work, craving your favorite dish as having it delivered to your doorstep with just a few taps. That's the magic Zomato thought into our lives.
Founded in 2008, founders Dipendra Goyal and Pankaj Chadda, the headquarters of Zomato in Gurgaon, India.
Founder profiles of Dipendra Goyal, career, co-founder and CEO of Zomato 2008%, management consulate and ban as company 2006 to 2008. Achievement founded Zomato, which has become one of the largest and most successful food delivery companies in India. Personal life. Dipendra Goyal is married and has 2 children. He is a wide reader in enjoy playing cricket in free time.
Inspection of the idea 2008. While working at Bain and Company, Dipendra Goyal noticed employees struggling to access restaurant menus. They inspired him to create a digital solution. Second, launch of Foodie 2008. Dipendra Goyal and co-founder Pankaj Chadda start Foodie, an online platform for restaurants menus, simplifying dining choice for users. Third, rebranding to Zomato 2010. The platform and application renamed to Zomato to a global audience market, the start of its journey into food discovery and delivery. Early success. Zomato gained popularity in India cities for its unique restaurant review, menu access and discovery features, setting the stage for rapid growth.
Market overview and positioning. Market position dominates Swiggy, positioning itself a leader in the Indian online food delivery market. Target audience primary young urban population and working proficients. Zomato Pro subscription service, our link discount and exclusive offers.
Business strategy. Hyper-local delivery model. Built a hyper-local model to ensure timely and effectively food delivery. Customer relation programs. Loyalty program like Zomato Pro, frequent offer and discount. Market strategy. Heavy social media presence, quickly and relatable marketing and influencer partnership.
Grow diverse and milestone. Founding success. Receipt significant funds from investors like Swiggy, Antifinance as FitGirl. Global leading to continuous growth. Internally expression. Zomato successfully established its footprint into 24 countries, but later forced solely of India to consolidate growth. Here are some advertisements of Zomato. Current standing as future outlook. Currently standing financial performance in the second quarter ending September 30, 2024. Zomato reported a consolidated net profit of 1.76 billion, a nearly 5-fold increase from the previous year. Revenue also saw a substantial rise of exponential 69, reaching about 48 billion. Currently standing as future outlook, growth projection. Zomato anticipates its food delivery business to grow at an annual rate of 30% over the next 5 years. Analysts forecast year-end and revenue growth rate of 49% and 25.8% per annum, respectively. Strategy forces the company plans to concentrate on 3 key areas: food ordering and delivery, restaurant supplies through hyper and quick commercial. Business model as revenue stream. Business model. Zomato connects customer, restaurant and delivery partner through a tech-driven platform, offering food delivery, dining out, quick commercial, Blinkit, and restaurant supplies hyper food delivery. Commission 10 to 30% of restaurant orders. Delivery fee charged to customer. Subscription Zomato Gold Pro of discount and free delivery.
Challenges faced by Zomato: competing with Swiggy and other delivery service, high delivery and commission expenses, government rule on gig workers and data privacy. keeping customer in a price sensitive market is struggling to maintain profit in a low margin business.
First of all, SWOT means stand for strength. According to the analysis strength of Zomato, first strength, diverse service profile, brand or education. Second, weakness, opportunity cost, new entrants. Third, opportunities, internationally expansion and diversification. Fourth, thread, international competition, regulatory challenges. Moving to the word, the business model canvas of Zomato. According to the business model, there are 10.7 million customer orders of everyone. There are 132,706 restaurant food delivery. They are launched service in 2019. There are 1.4 million for customer paid. In India, there are 25,350 pro restaurant. Business service was launched in 2016. Currently active restaurant lights. Now I will you going to tell you how Zomato food process at your doorstep. First, customer will place a order. Second, restaurant accept order, start preparing. Zomato assistant delivery partner. Zomato assistant delivery partner is picked and delivered to your doorstep. Step 6. Wow, I such a easy process. Zomato acts as a middleman between restaurant and user. Variety of food options to cater to diverse, tasty and performance that are the types of food commonly available on like burger, sandwich and pizza.
The achievement of Zomato acquired Uber Eats in India 2022, listed on the Indian stock market in 2021 with a strong response, pioneered sustainable practice by reducing single-use plastic. Conclusion: Zomato is a perfect example of how invention, adaptability, and customer focus can transform an idea into a global success. It has redefined the food industry and continues to be a leader in providing convenience and quality. From carving to dining, keep shining. भूख की पुकार Zomato हर बार.
Thank you.
Thank you.